Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Skibidi Toilet Surprise Fold with a bunch of different characters in it. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Skibidi Toilet Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners of my paper and then give it a nice fold right down the middle. So this way it kind of looks like a card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'll give it another nice fold like this. So it's kind of like a bookmark. Now, when you open this up, we have these nice little guidelines that show us where we need to keep the inside of our drawing. And when I turn it like this, I can open it up and have my surprise. Now, to start off with our Skibidi Toilet Surprise Fold, let's begin by drawing the top of the lid. So I want to start right about here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to come up with a curve, and then we'll come down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out with a curve and up, and I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to come out with a curve and then up. I'm going to bring this line up almost all the way to the top. Same thing here. Let's bring this up almost all the way to the top. Next, I'm going to bring this line right across here and then connect it down. And then let's draw a nice long line right across here. Next, I want to make a little handle. So let's draw a line that comes straight across. Then we'll draw a little line down. Next, let's bring this line over about halfway. Then we're going to go down and up in like a smiley face shape. And I like to add another little curve right here, just to make it look a little more 3D. Now let's draw the bottom half. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a nice big line that just goes down and up here like a big smiley face. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes down here and a line that comes down here. Then right across the bottom, let's make a little line here. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our toilet here, and we're going to start drawing all the details on the inside. So the first thing I want to do is I want to bring this line up just a little bit above the fold, and I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to bring this line up above the fold. Next, I'm just going to curve this line up and down like this to connect it. Now let's draw some of the characters from Skibidi Toilet in here. So let's start off with the main character, the Skibidi. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come down and then in. And I'll do the same thing over here. Let's draw a line that's going to come down and then in. As I bring this down, I'm going to put a few little points on here for like the beard. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and curve it in. And I'll do the same thing over here. Bring this up and curve it in for the head. I'm going to make a couple little pointed lines right here for the hair. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, down, and up for an ear. Then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to go out, down, and then back in for the ear. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to put a few little points on here for the hair, and then I'll bring this down. Now let's work on the inside of the face. I'm going to begin right here by making a curve for the top of the eye, and then I'll do the same thing over here for the other eye. Then I'll make one that comes down here, and same thing, we're going to go down and up. I'm going to put a small circle inside each eye, and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'll make 2 lines that come down for the nose. We'll put 2 little curves on each side, and then make a line that comes down and up. Right above here, I'm going to draw a little sad face and another one right here for the eyebrows. Starting here, I'm going to draw a nice big line for the smile. Then I'm going to make another one that goes down and then up here. We'll put a little curve at the end of each mouth. And then we'll make 2 lines that come down for the teeth with a little curve right inside of here. Next, I'll make a little line that's going to come down to here for the beard, and I'll do the same thing, just go around. And then we'll make a little zigzag line right here. Next, we'll put a little curve inside each ear. And I'm just going to color in this part right here where the mouth is, just so we can kind of see where the teeth are. Now for the neck, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in. And same thing here, I'm going to go down and then in. I'll make 2 lines that curve in here and a little curve here. Now let's add another character in here. So over here, I'm going to put the speakerman. So to start off with the speakerman, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go over. We'll go down again, and then connect it right here. Next, I'll bring a line down here, and we'll make a line that kind of comes up for the side. Right here, let's draw a big circle with a smaller circle inside of it. We'll do that same thing up here. Let's draw 2 circles. And then we'll make smaller circles inside of it. Now for the collar of the shirt, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up. And then same thing here, down and then up. I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up here like a U shape. And then I'll draw 2 lines that come down here for the tie. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and then in for the shoulders. And then a little line right here to show where the other shoulder is. I'm going to draw a line that comes down with a little line here. And another one right here with a little line. Now, over here, I'm going to draw the speakerhead titan. So, starting here, I'm going to make a line across with a line that goes down and a line that's going to come down here. I'll bring this line across and connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes up, and I'm going to do the same thing over here, make a line that comes up. I'm going to draw a line that comes over, and a line that comes over here. I'm going to make a line that comes down and in, and same thing here, I'm going to come down, and I'll bring this line over. Next, we'll draw a line down at an angle, and then we'll go straight down. Same thing here, down at an angle and straight down. Next, I'm going to make lines going to come out and then in. And then a line that comes down here. And a line that comes down here. And then I'll put two little lines here just to kind of make some detail. Right here, let's draw a line across on the chest. And then we'll draw two lines that come down. I'll put a little circle shape, mostly kind of partial on there, and a smaller circle inside of here. Then I'll make a full circle on top and another one underneath it. Now, right inside of here, let's draw 3 circles. So we'll make 1, 2, and 3 circles. And then I'll put a smaller circle inside each one. Then over here, I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 circles. And then same thing over here. We'll put 1. We'll make 1 right behind here, 2, and then 3 circles. Now, up here, I want to draw the TV man. So, to draw the TV man, we're just going to start off with a simple rectangle shape. So I'm going to start right across here underneath the fold, and I'm going to draw a line that comes out. I'm going to bring this line down and in. And I'll bring this line down and then in. I'll make a line that comes down here at an angle. And we're going to go straight down and in. Next, I'm going to draw a line down on each side. A line across. And then a line across here. Then I'm going to make 2 little lines on here for the antennas, and I'll put a little dot that I color in at the top. Inside of here, I'm going to make 2 dots for some eyes, and a little smiley face for the mouth. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in with a little line here and a little curve here. And then over here, I want to make a cameraman. So to start off with the cameraman, I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come straight across. I'm going to come down. We want to go over. And then down at an angle. We'll bring this over and up here. Right here, we're going to go down, over, and up. Next, I'm going to go down. We'll go straight across, and then just kind of connect it here. Right here, I'm going to go down and then over with a little line down at an angle. Inside of here, we're going to make a little square. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for like a little reflection. Right here, I'm going to make lines going to come down at an angle and then straight across. Then I'm going to make lines going to go down, curve it around, and up here for the neck. We'll draw a little line down here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out, down, and in. Right here, we'll make a little U shape for the tie with 2 lines that come down. We'll go down and in, and then down here. Next, I'm going to go down. And we'll go down here at an angle, and then over here. And then we'll make a line that comes down. Now the last thing we have to do is we just need to connect this toilet lid. So I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to bring this down here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Skibidi Toilet Surprise Fold. So when we have it all closed up, we just have a simple looking toilet, and then when we open it up, we have all these Skibidi characters jumping out of there. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.